Alright, well, welcome to week 7. It's now Saturday. It is raining, and we're just sitting under the awning. Been watching the two chipmunks eat from our bird feeder and on the ground, and I guess something happened at one of the sites, and now we have no water. So
you can't drink?
Well, that's why we have bottled water.
Oh, good.
So yeah, so that's what we're dealing with right now, and I must have a small little leak in the awning because it's dripping on my head. So, but yeah, so now after dinner we ran up, got some ice cream, and now we're just sitting here. What are you doing?
I'm watching you.
Now it's watching you.
Oh no.
So one of the things that we did today, well, I did, is got the power wash out. There's the awning needed some love, and then the power washed the deck, got some of the gunk and filth off of it, and now it's kind of a normal wood color again. So I don't know what we're gonna do tonight. 'Cause can't do a campfire. Looks like it's gonna rain pretty much all night. And there goes the chippies. Chip chippity, chip chippity, chip chip chippity. We've called them. Oh, Piper, thanks for just getting right in the way there. We're calling them Chippendale Rescue Rangers. So even though it's raining, we have 2 chipmunks that have been running through here, and then the one climbs up the tree and then jumps up on the birdhouse or bird feeder and feeds himself, and then knocks them down onto the ground where the other one feeds. So we're gonna see the other camera. I couldn't zoom in, so we're waiting for him to come back because I spooked him to get this camera. So there he is. That one's eating on the ground.
Okay, where's the other one?
Oh, there he goes. He's going up the tree. Yeah.
I think chipmunks like bird seed. What if the bird came over and they attack?
See, you just threw a bunch down on the ground.
Alright. Good.
So now I wonder if the other one will show up.
Like a nice guy.
You see his little face?
Huh?
You see his little face when he looks at us?
Yeah.
He's gonna come over to the ground and get the others. Oh, they're both there. They're both there. One's up top and one's on the ground now. Alright, we're going outside. It's midnight. We gotta be quiet now, the parks. It's quiet time. So anyway, Mid-Michigan tonight is supposed to be able to see the northern lights, but very low. Not as intense. So we're gonna walk out here away from the RV's lights, see if we can see anything, which I doubt we will be able to. Sure don't look like it.